we start, I give you a small introduction ceremony. Right?
You forgot something. Please smile.
This will come later on. You can't live without smiling.
Yeah.
But we should try to live without anger.
Yeah.
Right? Because in the last 3 years you have learned only one subject, that is anger. Right? ATM, anytime free.
Anytime.
And there is no restriction. In bank ATM, you cannot withdraw more than 25 rupees at a time. But here, anger you can withdraw. Right?
Any amount.
Any amount. And any moment, any second.
Yeah.
And no need to stand queue also. So next, shall we start? You please introduce yourself. आपका नाम बताना और आप क्या काम करते हैं. So they will help me to decide क्या बोलना है, क्या नहीं बोलना है, कितना बोलना है.
How are you prepare that cake?
Yes,
I'm Amit Khalantar. I'm a chartered accountant working in Mumbai.
we have the guest. Yes, sir.
See this. This is an army.
My name is Aman and I'm on a break right now.
Good. Now, what do you mean by the word break? Break from?
The routine.
See, the word is very important, break. If we understand the word break thoroughly, तो हमारी लाइफ में we can keep away many diseases. Right? See, most of the things we get it because of stress, because of anger, because of nature. Our nature is the key factor of everything, right? Now we can't change nature, but if we try to improve upon, right? Now today, I think we'll start with something new. What is something new? What we need in our life. Okay, to cure disease is very easy, but to prevent is very important. Now the time has come that we should think about the word prevention rather than curing or rather than treatment. Now here, kindly tell me, do you have any health issue like diabetes, blood pressure, any health issue? Anyone of you have any issue?
Everybody are healthy.
Everyone is healthy because you come to health library. Good. Okay. See, before I start, I'll tell you one thing which keep in mind. If you come across anybody suffering from cancer of any type, any kind of cancer, okay, maybe any stage, first stage, fourth stage, or even maybe terminal stage, then very beautiful hospital is very near Valsad. You can note down. You can note down the details. Valsad is around 13 kilometers from Valsad on the highway touch. Like a medical college is also there, which college I am attached as a faculty member. Now, I was there for about 15 days, not for a treatment, but for some sort of educational work. Now, these people, they don't charge anything. Treatment is completely free. Only you have to pay room charges, which I'm not their marketing manager or marketing or nothing like that. So, just for information. कभी किसको मदद हो सकता है, right? Hardly room charge for 500 rupees. Every room they have 2 patients and treatment and food is free. 11 दिन तक including food. Right? And food they give morning around 8:30 to 8:45 is the breakfast time. 12:30 to 1:30 is the lunch and dinner 5:30 to 6:30. Then you have to start. उसके बाद कुछ खाना नहीं मिलेगा except air. That's the place. Right? But the line of treatment is really wonderful. Patients having terminal cases, we can't see जो रिवा के मरते हैं, but within their it means that within 4 days you can see the change. जो मेल्ट होती है ना, गांठ बोलते हैं, तो मेल्ट होने लगती है. And the good part of the hospital, that nursing and the staff, they salary hardly 2,000 rupees or 3,000. They can't afford more than this. Staff का जो salary है nurse का, hardly 2,300 rupees. And people, they come there. They stay nearby. Village से आते हैं, village में जाते हैं. but they have to wait on the highway to get some vehicle to go and up. And the treatment is so wonderful कि patient वहाँ पे जो जाएगा, the chance of recovery will enhance like anything.
What's your name?
नहीं, I am giving you the details. हाँ? वहाँ पे जो treatment देते हैं, before doing that you have to keep in your mind कि ये छी बोलते हैं ना गंदा ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Your complete treatment with cow urine. Cow urine, cow dung, cow का जो गोबर होता है, पंचगव्य जिसको कहते हैं पंचगव्य. So treatment is only with पंचगव्य. That is the base of treatment. No, the cow is all अपना गिर का था, देशी का.
Different cow, different treatment.
And the treatment what they give is really marvelous. With smiling face. वहाँ पे झगड़ा नहीं है, वहाँ पे मारामारी नहीं है, वहाँ पे काम का ये भी नहीं है. And all the doctors, they are all MD doctors, qualified, and they do with smiling job. Now the name of the hospital is Giri Vihar Cancer Hospital. Cancer Hospital. Giri Vihar. Giri Vihar. आप बोलता हूँ राजा एक मिनट. ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो आप बोलेंगे कि आपका कुछ गलत बकवास कर दिया. Now we can see the on net Giri Vihar Cancer Hospital. Valsa. Taking highway only. You can get on at Valsa station and ask the rickshaw wala is bargain. 300 बोलेंगे 200-150 में आएंगे. And you get many buses also. Right, but very close. And Giri Vihar Cancer Hospital. And वहाँ का जो climate है, it so pure, there is no pollution. You have complete oxygen. काफ़ी plant है, काफ़ी बड़ा खेत है वहाँ का. और 800 more than 850 cows are there. So 3:30 they wake up the cow. They say the cow wake up, they collect the urine. Then 4:30 they play some spiritual music and then they take the milk. और 7:30 को ये पंचगव्य बना के पेशेंट के रूम में आ जाता है. And any relative, one patient and one category is free. Any additional person they charge 1 rupee. For tea breakfast 1 rupee, for lunch 1 rupee, for dinner. So it is really I tell you that आपके पैसा में पूरी है कैंसर वाला पेशेंट recommend them. आपको दुआ मिलेगी and you will get good blessings. और कभी मौका मिला if you are going to that side, please spend 10-15 minutes and see the hospital. And there is medical college also. And if you want, then you tell me. We can arrange a one day.
Will go.
Phone number I am not having at the moment with me. Giri Vihar Cancer Hospital.
Sir, when we are going, you tell me.
No, one of you take the lead and decide. Right, because I cannot afford to. आप में कहिए one of you take the lead and tell me कि this day we want to go. Right, but I am not going to spend for all of you. Not for me. It's your shoulder system. बराबर है. खाना वहाँ पे मेरी और के मैम के एक रुपये I can afford. चलें. Now friends, today the time has come about thinking about something about prevention. Right? Disease तो आता है, आने वाला है. Because the God is very smart. जो भगवान है, जो मदर नेचर बहुत स्मार्ट है. No, none of us is like to get natural death. Natural death is not possible. होता ही नहीं है. क्या बोलेंगे आदमी को हार्ट अटैक आया, किडनी फेल होगा, ये होगा. Why? Because nature doesn't want that. उसका नाम ब्लेम होना चाहिए. So nature कुछ तो कोई हमें देती है gift. Right? Once you cross 50, 60, then you have to be ready to receive some good gift from Mother Nature. But it is in our hand that we can reduce the suffering. Suffering we can reduce. Do you agree? Suffering हम कम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम disease को अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते. So before we start, my request that all of you sitting cross-legged, don't sit cross-legged. Cross-legged is the invitation to your knee pain. And I don't want that you should come to me or you should go to any doctor with a complaint of knee pain. Okay? I know it's very comfortable to sit with cross-legged, but cross-legged is not good. Right? Because what happens? कि आप जब एक cross-legged बैठते हो ना, there are small cartilage, ligaments, right? And tissues, they get pressure. And continuous pressure क्या होता है? Break करता है. You take metal, उसको continuous pressure करेंगे तो metal भी टूटेगा. ठीक है? So continuous pressure is not good. हाँ, so away from continuous pressure. Now itching. आपको कहेंगे भी itching होता है, itching. हाँ, continuous itching मत किया करो. That is invitation to cancer of that area. Itching हो गया, then the simple thing you take crab apple, flower remedy. Crab apple, holy, impatient. Crab apple, holy, impatient. This medicine will help you. I can speak loudly. Crab apple, holy, impatient. Crab apple, wholly, HOLLY, wholly impatient. वजह कि जिसको itching होता है, he cannot control itching. कहीं पे भी ये करेगा, even in public also itching will, right? So itching impatient, because when itching comes, person become very much impatient. So impatient is the main remedy for itching. और आदमी को impatient nature का आदमी है. Now for example, many people are impatient by nature. समझो आपको बोला कि 3 o'clock you come here and nobody comes turned up. Then by 5 minutes you become very much impatient. So impatient medicine is given to that person. He will develop his patience. So patient and this medicine has got no side effect. So crab apple, the medicine of cleansing. So anything. Now for example, आपके शर्ट के ऊपर कुछ गिरा and you feel जाके धोना चाहिए, not comfortable, right? Then crab apple is the medicine of cleansing. So now cleansing में हमारी जो mind है ना, mind is full of ideas. ठीक है, maybe good idea, maybe bad idea. Now what are the good and bad ideas? Now for example, somebody done something with you, that is go hammering you. It doesn't go out from your brain. Now you need crab apple. Why? So something which is continue hammering you will lead to some disease. When the time comes, when your energy level become weak, some disease you will get. So be aware, be careful that this does not happen. And holy also is a medicine which will calm you down. Okay? These are the basic things.
In what ratio?
Equal quantity.
Equal to both.
And if you take 6 times in a day, if you take liquid, it will work better. Okay. Next time if you remind me, by chance if there is a session, I shall try to bring the CD of the hospital come. Hospital of CD. Right? So this and if they permit, we will screen here so that you have a better idea. You can see the rooms, whatever rooms are there, whatever work they do, it's really wonderful, amazing. आज के ज़माने में फ्री में कोई काम नहीं करता. गिरी विहार कैंसर. Just 11 rupees. There is guest house also. No. They don't enter anymore. Unless you, of course, you go to see what their activity, but not ऐसे picking के तरह नहीं है. Because they've got 90 beds and they're always there is a full 150 patients होते हैं. And people they come from all over India. Now see, today we'll try to understand the nature. What is Mother Nature says? ठीक है? Now nature में क्या होता है? If you remain healthy till the end of your life, then the number one is very important. Your breathing pattern. हमारा जो सांस लेने का तरीका है ये गलत है. So today we'll try to correct it, to improve it. All of us will do it together. ठीक है? देखिए जो सांस आप लेते हो, you should always breathe. जब आप सांस अंदर जा रहा है तभी आपका छाती और पेट दोनों बाहर निकलना चाहिए. ठीक है? That is very first condition. हम लोग का उल्टा होता है. हम जब सांस निकालते हैं तभी इसको अंदर लेते हैं. तो क्या होता है? क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, जैसे हम इसको प्राण वायु कहते हैं, वो कम जाता है. And when it doesn't go to all the area, then this area becomes itch, pain होता है वहाँ पे. So you have to be careful. उसके लिए you have to think, you have to help to महानगर टेलीफोन का डायरेक्टरी देखा है ना, बड़ा डायरेक्टरी ज़्यादा लेके सो जाओ, छाती को पेट के ऊपर रखो, दोनों हिलते हैं, आपका ब्रीथिंग पैटर्न ठीक है. नहीं है देन प्लीज करेक्ट. जब आप सांस लेते हो छाती और पेट को बाहर निकालो. सांस देखिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये करने से यदि यू कैन कंट्रोल योर 80% डिसीज. The Supreme Authority. I think before we conclude, I'll request Mrs. Dalal. She has accompanied me to the hospital. So Giri Vihar, you can say a word later on. Now see, there are different type of treatment available today in the world. One is integrated medicine, one is conventional. Now a lot of research has been carried out in America. There is a Mayo Hospital. Right, they have come out with a beautiful thing. Narendra Modi is the first person in India who has permitted them to give a place. Now they have already started branch there, and they are doing a lot of research on alternative medicine or complementary medicine. So now the people they realize what are the side effects of medicine, and it is in our hand to keep it away. So number one is your breathing pattern should be correct. Number two, that you should take